My name is Abdul. I'm excited to share a product pricing calculator using Excel. So you can the way it works is that you enter a product here, then it will automatically give the category. Then you can see the material cost, the labor cost, the total cost, and the selling cost. So let's enter a new product. So this is where the user can enter a new product. Let's enter a new product like Bossa. Then the category now is clothing. So the material costs, the amount to spend on the material is 1,000. Maybe the labor cost is spent 100 naira. The packaging cost is spent 100 naira. Then your miscellaneous expenses, you spend is 0. Platform fees, you spend is 0. Then shipping cost, maybe you spend 100. Then your tax, you spend 0. So you can see now, this is your total cost, 1,300. Your total cost is 1,300, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. So this is your total cost for your product, which is Bossa. So for you to know your selling price and your profit now, we'll go to your markup. So if you put 5 here now, it will show 1,365. That is, this is the amount you'll be selling this product, and this is your profit. So like if you put 10 now, 10% now, that means you are selling this product 1,430, then your profit is 1,003. So if you put like 200, if you put like 20 now, that means your total cost is 130, then your selling price is 1,560, then your profit is 260. So let's go to the calculator now. Let's see the product that we just entered. So you can see now we enter Bossa now. So this is the Bossa now. You can see. So you can see now it's under category of clothing. Then the material cost is 1,000. The labor cost is 100. The packaging cost is 100. Here we have miscellaneous expenses 0. So you can see now this is our what? This is our total cost. Then you can see this is our what? This is our selling product. This is our selling cost. So this is our profit 260. So this is how the product pricing calculator work. You enter a product here. Then you can be viewing it from this place. So this is the dashboard. This is the live dashboard to show your product summary dashboard. This is the product pricing. This is a product summary dashboard. So you keep updating it and you'll be seeing the way your product is being reported. So thank you so much for listening.